Hey everyone, I'll be showing you 7 best AI tools for meeting and video conferencing. Today, we are diving headfirst into the exciting world of AI-powered video conferencing tools that are changing the game in 2024's. In a world where time is of the essence, these AI tools have stepped up to the plate, making the process of creating professional video content faster, easier, and more engaging. Imagine a world where tedious tasks like editing and production are handled by artificial intelligence, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters: communication. So, if you're ready to elevate your video conferencing experience, you are in for a treat. Today, we are counting down the top 7 best AI video conferencing tools that you need to keep an eye on in 2024. We've got a comprehensive guide lined up for you, covering everything from key features to pros and cons, pricing options, and ideal use cases. Whether you are a content creator, a business professional, or simply someone who wants to make their virtual meetings more dynamic, we've got the perfect tools for you. These AI wonders take the hassle out of video production, giving you the freedom to express yourself without the technical headaches. Stick around because, by the end of this guide, you will have all the information you need to choose the perfect AI video conferencing tool for your needs. We are here to make your decision-making process a breeze and ensure you find the tool that aligns perfectly with your goals. Are you ready to explore the future of video conferencing? Well, you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's jump into the top 7 best AI video conferencing tools of 2024. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech insights. Let us get started. At number 1 on our list, we have Adobe Premiere Pro, a video editing titan that utilizes the formidable Adobe Sensei AI framework to enhance its features. What makes it stand out? Well, Sensei continuously learns from Adobe's extensive cloud library, improving its performance in real time. This means you are not just working with AI, you are working with AI that is getting smarter and more accurate over time. First up, let us talk about Auto Reframe. Adobe Premiere Pro takes the hassle out of formatting your videos for different platforms. Thanks to AI, the Auto Reframe feature analyzes your footage and automatically adjusts the framing for various formats like square for Instagram or vertical for mobile devices. Say goodbye to manual re-editing for each output. It is a game changer for efficiency. Next on the AI menu is color matching. Adobe Sensei ensures your videos have consistent color grading throughout. It analyzes color profiles and makes adjustments for a cohesive and professional look. No more mismatch use. It is AI-powered perfection. But that's not all. Let us talk about audio ducking. This AI-powered feature automatically balances audio levels in your videos. When someone is speaking, it intelligently reduces the volume of background music or sound effects, ensuring your video's audio is polished and enjoyable. And for those moments when you are ready to share your masterpiece with the world, Project Sharpening kicks in. Using AI reduces noise and artifacts during video compression, making sure your videos look pristine on the web and social media platforms. But what about authenticity? Adobe Premiere Pro goes that extra mile by tightly integrating with Adobe's content credentials and content authenticity tools. These AI-powered tools provide tamper detection and digital attribution, ensuring your video content's authenticity and credibility. Now, before you rush to download, let us talk pros and cons. Premiere Pro offers robust professional video editing tools, tight integration with other Adobe apps, and it is an industry standard for video production. However, the subscription model can be a bit pricey, and there is a learning curve for beginners. Plus, you'll need a powerful computer to run this editing powerhouse. Coming in at number 2, we have Topaz Video AI, a dedicated AI video enhancing and upscaling program designed to elevate your footage to new heights. The AI behind Topaz Video AI has undergone extensive training on millions of video and image samples, mastering intricacies of reducing noise, enhancing detail, and upscaling quality. What sets Topaz Video AI apart is its use of machine learning techniques like convolutional neural networks and generative adversarial networks. These advanced techniques optimize the AI for the best possible video improvements. The tool breaks down video processing into thousands of small pieces, applies enhancements to each piece using AI, and then seamlessly stitches them back together. This meticulous approach allows the AI engine to analyze and enhance footage at the most granular level, ensuring an optimized result. And here is the exciting part. The AI models driving Topaz Video AI are continuously updated and improved over time. The training data and algorithms become more advanced and tailored for higher video quality. Topaz Video AI has a proven track record of consistent updates, further polishing and refining its enhancement capabilities. Now, let us talk about the key AI features that make Topaz Video AI shine. First up, we have video enhancement. This tool utilizes AI algorithms to enhance overall video quality, upscaling videos to higher resolutions, improving sharpness, and reducing noise for clearer and more vibrant footage. Next, we have de-interlacing, perfect for older videos recorded in interlace formats. Topaz Video AI smoothly de-interlaces them, transforming them into smoother, progressive scan formats for a modern and polished look. Another standout feature is denoising. It effectively reduces or removes unwanted noise, grain, and artifacts from your videos, resulting in cleaner and crisper visuals, especially valuable for low-light or low-quality footage. For those shaky or unstable moments, Topaz Video AI comes to the rescue with video stabilization. Applying stabilization algorithms, it makes the video smoother and more watchable, perfect for action, shots, or handheld recordings. Last but not least, we have frame rate conversion. Need to adjust your frame rate? Topaz Video AI has you covered, allowing you to convert frame rates for that specific look or match different video sources seamlessly. Now, let us weigh the pros and cons. Topaz Video AI boasts amazing AI video enhancement abilities with an intuitive interface, offering multiple upscaling options for dramatic improvements in video quality. However, it is important to note that it is specifically designed for AI enhancement, limiting its editing capabilities. Plus, to experience the best performance, a powerful GPU is recommended. At number 3, we have Wondershare Filmora, a comprehensive yet easy-to-use video editor tailored for beginners. Filmora 10 takes advantage of AI technologies like machine learning and neural networks to bring automated editing and enhancement capabilities to the fingertips of novice creators. One standout feature is the AI portrait. Utilizing facial recognition and deep learning, it applies beauty retouching adjustments selectively only to human faces in your footage. No more manual tweaking. Filmora does the job for you, resulting in more polished and flattering portraits in your video content. Another gem is the Auto Beat Sync feature. Filmora analyzes music tracks, identifies tempo and rhythm, and then intelligently applies tempo-aware edits to create perfect synchronization between video cuts and background music beats. It is like having a personal rhythm assistant for your videos, a game changer for effortless editing. Filmora also offers a treasure trove of AI animated elements and effects. From animated text to overlays, filters, distortions, and transitions, all drag and drop ready. These elements elevate your production value without the need for intricate editing skills, thanks to the AI-powered creation tools with Filmora. Now, let us talk about the key AI features that make Filmora shine. Filmora's AI algorithms analyze your footage for smart auto-creation, saving you time and effort. The AI portrait feature enhances subjects' faces automatically, resulting in more polished portraits. Motion tracking uses AI to identify and track objects or subjects, allowing for text, graphics, or effects that follow movement. AI style transfer lets you apply artistic styles to your videos, transforming your footage into unique visual masterpieces. Background removal, powered by AI, automatically removes backgrounds for green screen effects or isolating subjects in your videos. And now, let us discuss the pros and cons. Filmora boasts an intuitive timeline editing interface, tons of drag and drop templates, a built-in screen recorder, and affordable pricing tiers. It is a great fit for beginners. However, It has limited advanced editing features, and it might not be the go-to choice for professional use due to occasional buggy behavior. Securing the fourth spot, vidIO is not just a video editing tool, it is a creative powerhouse with AI-infused capabilities. This web and mobile app utilizes artificial intelligence technologies such as natural language processing to automatically generate subtitles and captions from video dialogue and narration. Imagine the time saved on transcriptions. But that is not all. V.io brings computer vision AI into play with object tracking and blurring. This nifty feature detects and follows moving objects with the frame, allowing creators to effortlessly blur faces or objects for privacy. Face Zoom, powered by face detection algorithms, smoothly zooms and pans based on shot composition and facial positioning. Privacy and visual storytelling, check and check. Vid.io is on a mission to continually upgrade its AI editing tools. Recent enhancements include improved color grading using AI and enhanced audio mastering to automatically balance out subtle audio imperfections. And the best part, they are not just stopping there. More advanced features are in the pipeline, promising an even more robust editing experience. Let's dive into the key AI features that set Vid.io apart. Automatic subtitling, where AI-driven transcription generates accurate subtitles, making your videos more accessible and engaging. AI-enhanced editing tools provide intuitive cutting, trimming, and splicing powered by AI, making video editing a breeze. Voiceover generation with text-to-speech technology allowing you to generate voiceovers, eliminating the need for separate audio recording. Automatic video enhancements, where AI applies filters and color corrections to enhance visual quality quickly. Background removal with automatic detection and elimination of backgrounds, perfect for green screen effects or isolating specific elements. Now, let us weigh the pros and cons. Vid.io boasts an easy drag and drop interface, a mobile app for shooting and editing on the go, and a vast library of stock content. Most features are available for free, and it allows instant sharing to social platforms. However, it has very limited advanced editing capabilities, maximum 720 pixel quality for free users, and lacks collaboration features. It is primarily designed for casual users, making it a go-to for quick and creative edits. Taking the fifth spot, Synthesia is a powerhouse in the realm of AI avatars. This video AI system specializes in creating avatars that speak and animate automatically, bringing a whole new dimension to communication. Synthesia utilizes machine learning models trained on thousands of hours of video footage to achieve remarkable facial tracking and lip sync for these AI avatars. Now, what sets Synthesia apart is its AI-generated avatars. These lifelike creations can be customized to match specific visual styles or even represent brand identities. They closely resemble human-like characters, adding a touch of personality to your videos and making information delivery more engaging and interactive. One of Synthesia's core features is automatic lip synchronization. The AI-powered avatars mimic human lip movements and speech patterns, creating a seamless illusion of the avatar speaking in sync with the provided audio or script. But that is not all. Users can customize the avatar's movements and gestures to match the content or mood of their video, allowing for animations that express emotions, emphasize points, or engage viewers more effectively. And here is the cherry on the top. Synthesia's custom voice cloning capability. Using just a few minutes of audio samples from a target speaker, it builds a neural voice model capturing of timbre, tone, and inflections of their voice. This voice profile can then be used to generate completely new speech, sounding remarkably like the original speaker. Talk about a unique touch. Synthesia goes beyond just an editor. It offers an API and integrations, allowing businesses to leverage avatar and voice generation capabilities directly within their existing apps and workflows. It is about seamlessly integrating innovation into your processes. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. Synthesia makes it incredibly easy to create AI avatars, giving users control over avatar customization and even offering background removal with virtual backgrounds. It provides hundreds of voice and language options and brings engaging AI video spokesperson capabilities to the table. However, avatar videos may sometimes seem a tad synthetic, and the tool has limited ancillary editing features. For enterprise use, pricing can be steep, and it lacks built-in screen recording. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Securing the 6th spot on our list. InVideo is not just a video editor. It is a creative powerhouse equipped with a vast library of templates and automated editing features. Its strength lies in advanced natural language generation algorithms, ensuring that scripts are finely tuned for video by considering elements like tone, emotion, and language complexity. InVideo's template library featuring over 10,000 templates is a game changer. What sets it apart is the infusion of AI machine learning algorithms trained on top-performing videos, meticulously optimize every detail, from graphics to animations and scene sequencing, setting your content up for success. The real magic of InVideo lies in its automation prowess. Picture this: dynamic generation of fully produced video drops from text input alone. In a matter of seconds, the AI assembles visuals, animations, transitions, and voiceovers, transforming your text into polished video. It's akin to having your own video production team at your disposal. Let us talk about the key AI features: automated video creation, video templates, text-to-speech conversion, automated subtitling, and AI-powered editing tools. Each of these features streamlines the video creation process, making it efficient and accessible for all users. Now, let us consider the pros and cons. InVideo brings a wealth of benefits, including 10,000 plus templates, unlimited exports, a Chrome extension, collaboration capabilities, and affordable pricing. However, it does have some limitations, such as a focus on business use, limited advanced customization, and the absence of built-in screen recording. Securing the last spot on our list. Descript is not just an editing platform, it is a game changer for audio and video projects. It is tailored for podcast producers, videographers, interviewers, and remote teams seeking seamless collaboration and efficient editing through the power of AI. Descript stands out with its impressive AI features. Using advanced speech recognition and natural language processing AI, Descript delivers highly accurate transcripts for interviews, podcasts, meetings, and more. Uniquely, Descript allows you to edit audio and video content by manipulating the transcribed text directly. Cut, copy, paste, and rearrange spoken words just like you would with a text document. The overdub capability recreates a speaker's voice from a short sample, providing new possibilities for editing and fixing mistakes in audio content. Descript's AI can transform text scripts into video content, generating animations based on the provided script, a fantastic tool for creating visual content effortlessly. Now, let us weigh the pros and cons. Descript offers automated and accurate transcripts, easy visual audio editing, voice cloning for expanded possibilities, and a collaborative environment, making it a go-to choice for podcasters. However, it lacks advanced video editing features, and some users might face a learning curve for certain functions. And that's a wrap, everyone. AI video tools are changing the game, making video creation a breeze. From automated editing to cool avatars, they are here to save time and spark creativity. Think about it. Less time fussing over edits, more time crafting awesome content. These tools are not just helpers, they are like your creative sidekicks, making your ideas shine. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech and creativity. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.